Hello everyone, welcome to Shimmery Nails' first video. In today's video, Nadia are going to show you how we create a simple but still a cute alien nail art. Let's start. Take out the nail file, and we start to shape the nails into a round shape. Then we are going to grab the cuticle softener to push the cuticle back. If you don't have any cuticle softener, you can just soak off your nail in lukewarm water like about 3 to 5 minutes. Use the cuticle pusher very gently to push back the cuticle and try not to push too hard on your nails. Next, use the cuticle cutter or cuticle nippers, whatever you call it, to cut the cuticle area. We like the area around the nails to be very clean, as it's really helped when you are in the polish stage. Alright, we finished with everything for the most part. Now we just need to clean out the nails, and this is how it's look like after you clean out your nails. Before we put on the gel polish, we have to put the base coat first. It will be really good if you have a primer, but we don't have it at the moment, so we start with using a base coat and cure it under the lamp for about 60 seconds. Okay, now we are on to the most exciting part, the gel polish. We put the gel polish for 3 layers and cure it under the lamp for about 60 seconds. We put on the gel polish for 3 layers to get the solid and even color, and will be a really good prep for us to put on the nail art. Try to put the gel polish on very close to the cuticle area, but try not to touch the cuticle area, as it will not looking good after it grow out for about few days or even a week. After you put on the gel polish, we are going to start drawing. As you can see from the title, we are gonna do a simple alien nail art. Cure it under the lamp for 10 seconds is enough. After we draw the nail art, put on the top coat and we are done.